Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon. I'm here because of that Jpac. I'm here because of that Ikenshin. That idiot Ike for long and he refused to do that. Please, if you come across this video, please share this video. I'm here because of that useless thing about Jpac. In Nakembeshi, a lot of people you called and cried, told me to ignore you. I just decided to ignore you. But I can see, okay, na people who that you can never change. You can never change Jpac. I am still requesting for that your EK examination. Guys, please share this video. I am still requesting for that your EK examination, which you must conduct. I will not be long on here. The day off here Wednesday or Thursday that I will come for you because I just measure 16 hours. But I'll just come get the preamble. Now I'm not here for you because you are an idiot. You were a very hopeless man. I know you will never stop until somebody which I'm coming back again 2025. I will go back to my local saga until I end those two bitches. Then I will come and face you squarely. Because you were a very useless man. He was the most hopeless, a useless woman like you. It is very hopeless. It is very hopeless. It is very hopeless. Very unsteady human being. Very brainless. And on one occasion always gara. Enyege ego dash ego as onya agbata iwu. As a bigger you are, as pay as you go you are. You start mentioning my name. You started mentioning my name. No one know Ogechi Okeke Njaka. Why would my brother feed you? Are you competent of taking care of yourself and that useless idiot that prostitute that you picked in the club? That a shower you rented before your wedding. Also like you. Like this so useless. You just open your mouth to run. It's all about views. It's all about who will pay you. I wish Facebook will take away this ego. I've said this time without number. Enjoy Christmas. Christmas. What is the difference between Christmas on a day on other days? What is different on the Christmas Madonna? Christmas Madonna is Woshi. Christmas Madonna Bumado. So what are you saying? What is the difference between a day and a Christmas? On your bragging with a Sumika no wa. Each other Sumika, you go down one, go and come. That is where people are resting. On a Christmas, would you see me at work? I'll be working on that Christmas day. So what are you saying? If I'm not working, other people are working. Rest again on Christmas. If you want rest, so each is Sumike, gaga one. Turn the bubble. Let me even bound. Come on, get the fuck out of here. She got voice. The video did not mention your name. She got for sound out unegi. Guys, share this video before I proceed. The matter is an injury be here. So pugi amado ha kuburu gwa Jpac kubuogi. Anona momem. People you cried, they have to call me. You still went ahead. They say, because you cannot forget the man. Jpac, when are you going for the EK examination that you accepted cold-heartedly? And Jpac, as you have lied and deceived where is that your electric machine? The electric machine on hand you go up there. I thought you made more millions when you traveled to China than Ego Denegi. Is it not what you told us? Or we him Borani? Is it not what you told us that you made more money? And the those that came for your wedding, they are useless now. You're telling them that you made money. That's your electric bicycle. Is it out or is it dead? Anyway, let's listen to your stupidity because I'm in the Okeja and I'm a lot of people. Show us I'm a evidence no ni unegi. Evidence no inside the unegi. Anga who the evidence. When you open the unegi, that is where that evidence is. Yeah. Okay. Me block you. Oh yeah. Otila. But the idiot that you mentioned to Tamshe Jpac, Yajim, Otam Jpac, who I don't speak indirectly. But the idiot you mentioned, Oya Fitria, she Unegi, tell her to make a video and show me that, Ogechi, you are the one I'm referring to. By then, I am an pena bunkebu, okay? He on an but then, ma move your girl, it's not about ranting. Now, let's listen to the. Yeah, comment again. Comment to Buonwegi. Come on, comment again and comment to Buonwegi. Now, let's go to the reason why MJ Potari Jota. Let's listen to this hopeless thing.
Ofunda rise. Nankobi Jackson, no Okija should be blamed. Why I say that they should be blamed? Rise Nankobi Jackson.
You were a very hopeless man. Obi Jackson, Biko, I sure made woman. He can't even put up a mat. Even all these touts, to general this Asia country. He may pay be happy. They are living more than 20 people in a one room. You want to go? Oh, those idiots! That's your made woman. Omati, you can't even pour. Happy about go to adult education. For where? Hey, bro, that their primitive, archaic brain. Bianwe here. Usu. Comment again. Come suspend the again. Press yagi with more pressure. Come press yagi where you belong. Let's listen to this chakra. Can you survive with a saga? Saga. Because when you're not getting engagement, you start talking rubbish. Because it's hopeless. Also.
If I bring Zekebe Ras no Kija, and if I bring Zekebe Ras na Igbo, why would you ever allow a terrorist without a nobe?
You were a very hopeless man. You were a very, very useless man. Your brain is under that Ken sugar home. You owe us an examination. Look at how you're. Yeah. Ikeno you know, Big Jackson, when you throw before the man starts doing or go. No, cage. Get on your throw. How old are you? Gana Ben again. Igana, that's your useless father's compound. Get rice. Get there for you to go there and share rice for them. Oh yeah, get the fuck out. Shinga poison. This program is not meant for you. Poya! This place is not meant for you. Get the fuck out. Men who come money like you. Shinga for. Eh? Can't you reason that this idiot ain't with common sense? Jugodia NGO Bidoro 2019, 2022. I didn't bet that NGO no. Cheap pilot in there. Jugodia that NGO Bidoro joy a bono. Akwe gonde madu to ya kujiba. Joya ship Jpac. That's your NGO. You ran 2020, 2019. Ke bono. Gena, this young man and then gena the man who roller age give me war gono keja. You are really hopeless. When I tell people that you are brainless, imagine. So because of this incident of Stampede or Stampede Meneni, you had the audacity to come and speak on it instead of you to come out and say, my brother, because I'm gonna things like this happen. Lekwa, udiha neme, but we are sorry that all this while you have been doing this, Omero. Let us put these people in prayer. No war boogie. You came out with your brainless spam in a brain. All the spam we deposit inside your brain. Spam we deposit inside in my brain is still not a clean situation. Because it is hopeless. You came out to condemn a man that has been doing all God for years. So, in our body, this man walk, okay, the man walking again. Nobody will give you money again for rubbish. Irichana. Nobody will give annually mere piam man on the lishigi. I'm no piaga kwamburam on this blue app. Because he were hungry. You came out here a few months ago. My machine is coming in 2 days from China. They are supplying it. He pay 1.2, pay 1.5. He bruya 2 million. Because each of you got to get gonaka. Kegaji their money make business. Gabia deceive. Gole Amalife that listen to a fool like you. Up at the same idiot to say, na grandmother, in an akachega, where I make business, Jpac, you put the machine and we want to see it. Because the machine are taller than China. It's no longer coming. Eh? Ichoroko Jackson na biabo ginye geko, itolashi. OMG no here. OMG, you don't go get shaken. I don't know all these people that you are doing their free commercial. Me want have free commercial. I don't know because actually maybe na shop okay. Can make commercial. All we him troki name. Man dash na gonna get help okay make free commercial. And my like here. Cause unu ni na ga bazuru. Unu ga choro. Cause I'm what I had na very soon Facebook will stop this monetization in due time. Kono banu uru. Look at you that open mouth and be talking to Obi Jackson. I'm one neki. Obi Jackson a bit of a walk no cager. So you guys will not remember the good thing. Not you guys, you in particular will not remember what that young man has been doing for years. Helping people just because of little accident it took place, which can occur. Did America know that 9/11 got better? Did America know that 9/11 got better? He changed the way and a fake plane. And when you had the nuts to start blaming people already because it is hopeless. It's only blame you see. It will not get sense. Oh yeah? This is okay. Or this idiot or fake. So even when the nuts, even when the brain to come out online and start blaming a man that has been doing all God. Instead of you say, Hipotashe, my brother, we know you've been doing this for years. We are sorry that this thing happened to you. Hell, may their souls rest in peace. Gacho when you blame. Gacho when you blame. Because you Ojazibo, that small boy, Jiriwe problem. Hold on, let me see what this idiot said. Ayashinga for? You're not meant to be here. Oko Jazibo, Jiriwe problem, a young boy. Baby do. You are always looking for downfall before you come out. It's all about one who four. When I get Jpac, I will be the person gonna watch champagne in Elushigi. Anything that will be for you in this blue app. I got my Ogide champagne in Ishigi, Ogide champagne in Ishigi because he were demon. I remember Jazibo issue. Eh? You started young boy. Nelu na this young boy in gaga through pen. Gay piton. Criticize man the boy. Criticize man the boy. Gwamaya. No him any Oji to accident. No him any nkajirime because of your evil-minded set of being. Jpac evil. Jpac evil. I keep saying it that you are an evil soul. Evil. You will pen and maduki dwell in it. Anything they will pen. Anything they will pen. That is where I'm okay. It will evil. You are an evil idiot. But because of idiots, then actually promote to their page. They will not come out and say the truth. They will be talking rubbish. I want the person that don't give. I will say it the way it is. Yabasagige with a mini satuya. This one get happy. I got happy. Who give a f? You are an evil idiot.
Eburu manago de population the too much. Ndago nago karare ndago anahago. Rice ya na-eke na ogwabu na eburu rice ya gata jana nke PG. Eruso na nke PG eke na ogbe na Okija. Obodo ọbụla nwere ogbe. Obodo ọbụla nwere ikwu. Obodo ọbụla nwere kindred. Eke si na ikwu na ibe.
Jigodi this idiot. Jigodi this anu ohia na nya advice share biko. Owunde obefa ohana aba Christmas. Ego ni na aturu ya na wedding. Ego ni na aturu Jpac na wedding. Jpac enwere ego iweputara ga na okpopu unu ga ke rice. At least you teach them how to do it. Enwere ego iweputere from all the China itatara ego karịa nke dana na wedding ego according to your words. Ichetere na umu ogbenye ka na exist. At least they should learn from you. Jpac ina-enyekwa ndị mmadụ ihe. At least ego niile ebunyere gị na your wedding. And ego nke datara more than nke datara na your wedding na China. Can't you live by example? Can't you? Now a simple test is getting to how many months now that he get literally kega. He get literally ke. Gana bohare. Neba bohare come from woke. Na him fela na Obi Jackson. Obi Jackson or gina yon in any way. Obia doro gina people etiwe. Obia urugina people etiwe. Those people agasa hoge gina gbageshi stay away from ihe abasa hoge. Na him anyo no iteke mana ikomani inyo because you useless. We bele face. Una ba fogije etoga onya agbara tumpa taya. Kene ba fogije toge. Come on, Shinga for some. Come on, fuck. Come on, Shinga for some. Get the other far of here. Shinga susupu. Chineka bogoko. Nye. Na koiri. Come on, su out of here to buy imi unegi.
Can't do so. Because mana as I know so one line, kera as ya neke. Mana go. I don't really get job for that kg, but 3 comes. I got the wooden money. And then what procedure? And then who so okay say me fe. And that also has a me fe. Mere Ejweke more than 2 trailers of rice. No cooking them. 9K what God cannot do does not exist. Pastor Jerry, Ekerendomi, more than 5 truck. K rice more than 2 trailers. KG, K rice, K agba, K nine, 104 do to him again. Ekere no be. K ni iku ni ibe. Ekere no soro. K no monna. Population reduce wo. Oh, you mean no ibe. When about ibe campaign. Ebuta as it they were the one Bruno Rising Kunu. Ward 2, Bruno Rising Kunu. Ward 3, Bruno Rising Kunu. A mere word by word. All over Abasa again one crowd. Ever a crusade, 100 days end of the
Ipopa crusade 100 days. Amado Hamabukwegi. Is it not the same Zion we've been fighting all this while? Is it not the same Zion you have been fighting all this while? Jpac, Ashim 100 days, Ira Hijib 100 days, may you never come back again. Ira Hobabakagima Bamburamu again. The same 100 days you have been fighting for years. Now he prove patana your stupidity. Later 100 days, Bob Wookie. Or how was you in the 100 days? Every time 100 days, oh, your job, they start killing, they start permitting. Jpac, may you never see anything good in your life. They're not like it. Ndo can do your job. So the 100 days now has become your example. Eh? 100 days now has become a example. The same 100 days now put that boogie, and then a boogie, oka, ndoko, dojo. It will allow the 100 days again. So 100 days is okay. 100 days is no longer the bad people. 100 days that is I will say dojo. Because Jpac, Orie, Afo, Mpo, okay, Agafela o. Kabara, Abaran Dengobala. That's the Oshishin Dengobala or Ima coming back for you 2025. I just want you to get yourself fucking prepared. Go and pay them again. Oh. Imagine because Abagin Kitty, you will start stepping on people's toes again. You will learn how to mind your business and create content. Abagin Kitty, you will start stepping out of your boundary again. Thank God that the people who are listening to them or they can disrespect them. You will learn how to start creating content to feed that you are a shower wife when you get no career in her. You want to go? Thank God, Ogechi, I disrespected them. How man I'm respecting her, but I want that you have not learned your lesson yet. Because Abagin Kitty, you will not allow people to mind their business. As far as you will not shut your ass and mind eager. And you're looking for people to extradite me, right? Have you forgotten? You asked for my address. You asked for where I work. And all these useless single mothers. All these hopeless in America. In the different country. All these hopeless women. Diana Bobatawan, chop outside. Hana who's in Apple. All these useless, hopeless women that think about diha here, diha water had their rank. All these hopeless women, and when get on a dinner up and down, they got that where you are start talking rubbish. Now I'm a member get I will call a because are you guys haven't gotten the information yet? After the burial, we are coming to see Ogechi. One person called me from one place. Ogechi. And they said they are coming from right information. Okay, but don't want to share, no problem. I did. Animal Fuma. You went to the address. Are you still looking for you, Shabarangi? The best thing for you to do if you are looking for my address. I am the only woman and I do on social media. I am the only source that will never hide herself on this blue app. I am the only woman in your address. Now this American. Ask anybody. Asking anybody to give you my address is the biggest mistake in me. Some of my fans okay, if you call me again, I'll block you. I hate fans that panic. Every fans that panic. I hate panicking people because I know that all these idiots are not competent to do shit. They are too weak to stand me. Nigeria. While the 80% of them wanna hand on Obodo 80% of them hand on here no. But they cannot know Hana show you on your side here. Na Nigeria. Kebia with address in Kawu nda guy in about dogum or at that time. Do you think they will know him? They can't do shakem. And I tell you the truth. All of them that I mentioned their name, they are Odoguless. I have to say it with my full chest. Because you should mind your business. Stop stepping on people's toes that did you nothing. Learn how to mind your fucking business. Create content. Start creating family content. That is what people want to see, what you are made of. Leave people and their pains alone. Only him and the deal with it is none of your business. Obabunu rice all the hammer. If they go the two cups of rice, they will appreciate you. What have you done to your people? Is there no? Are we Lozeus, my boyfriend? My boyfriend Lozeus. No kerema. No boni de sam. Are we here? You know see him? Are you what he did on the streets? Hello, Zeus no mona mashage. Lozeus no koma. It doesn't matter whether I'm Atorom or Torom. I will just go and marry him. After all, why in Aluwoke these days? Onani the sugar mommy. Onani work I have no that no. Give all of Zeus or go. Yarusham major lawyer. Lawyer Jacom Loria. I can't a Gemina. Anaja Lumokalo. And where is it possible now? Are we only so sumere? Body or again, can't you do it in the one nigga? All this die or dog can't you call them? Because you make a rice because you're 1 million. Gabo ne catch make a rice, you're 1 million. Can the bunyan de buy? Or again, mba. Oh, and you give for your foggy. You give for your foggy. Ga honey me, Gabi with the blame. Ashimwa foggy, or foggy ko ba. Jpac afoko ba kwage. Afoko ba kwage. Idiot, here puta. People, here many people. Oh, here now, one here many people. Gaba puta. Anytime, Oni na wa Obasaragi. Obasaragi. Get a one giga be useless. Wound, memorial family content. Even on Enyego. You see content creators making it big. Oh yeah, get the fuck out of here. Come on, Shinga Faisal. Get the fuck out of here. You're not welcome here. You want to go? You didn't even have compassion. Can show good sympathy and empathy of people that lost their lives. Blame it, Pito go Zubo. If you don't push on what blame? Oh, Zubo. You put on a portion of my brain. Osubo. Yes. After that, bleach, I bring it on. Yes. Actually, me who PJ Fashibu. Ndejilejilanya who young boys. Zewusu who my like all my targets. If I go that route. Yes. If I enter sugar mommy level. Zewusu is my target. You not worry. A body black. Fine boy. You know who you like this. Oh my shawonde, mini otu eshinwo mini. Otu eshinwo mini. You know who's dog Josie? Do you think I will know? Otu sugar chanwo mini. Those who say all these sugar mummies. Because they will come after you. You are my target. Nah, everyone get just make you put your face in straight. You are my target though. When you're spec, yeah, you are my spec. Yeah, won't be how poor. Even Tim, they are aware of it. Like boyfriend, the more. Like my boyfriend, the more. Me with a lot of boyfriends. Voila. Rubbish. All this sugar mommy, I'm gonna cap or PJ fashion, Yahoo Galo, and they want people. Your destiny is crushed. You will never remember. Ogalagi, Laheni Neki, Don't you ever go that route. Can you when you again again make a big boy? No only funny, man. Runya gina the society. What I go? Rubbish.
100 days crusade ended. Now Gobala that contains more than 30,000 capacity.
That 100 days he mentioned, may it be your last day in your life. That 100 days you mentioned, may that 100 days choke you. The same 100 days that started problem again. Can I organize to give a good reference? You are a very useless human being. What kind of a hypocritical bastard are you? The same 100 days it don't. So, how will I good people now? So how we go good people now for an example? An example. And what do haga mabuki? You idiot! Me that 100 days tapugi regi ki wonyobu. Me that 100 days choke out to your tongue. Go bu target chineka pogono. Who even gave you the impetus to mention 100 days? If I ask, guys, share them this video. Share this video. Share them this video. Onye bragi use 100 days as an example. Hey, Arabalo nyara. Arabalo this motor. Ma, me hit too much here. Yes? Onye bragi mention 100 days. Api. Onye shege mention 100 days. No, share them this video because the next time Jesus will be here.
2,000
Onye Barage to mention 100. Oh, they are not wicked anymore. They are not deceiving them much anymore. They are the proper people again. Here na tufu na 100 days. Eji industry. Oh, he has now become your part of your example. Jpac rara o. Rara ka this 2025 happen drag hot like 2024. Rara just so rara just wrong with gike. Susuru girara amado hamabuki.
In a single service for over 3 days, no single soul was lost.
Oh, so I was in a 100 days matter one. Because guys, so wait, because is it the same person saying this or the same people? Put on in 100 days. Is it a different person? He said this. Oh God. Everything on your head. People must come back to know that I'm telling the truth. You are unstable person. Where belly face is your name. Where belly, you are useless. You are not reliable. No anybody that trusts you trusts. Expecting to die a sudden death. You are a disaster. You are not reliable. Unyo wola mere mistake. Trust you, rely on you, believe you for a second. That person, any grave yana had close. So wait, and what's on your 30 days? Sorry, 100 days. So I was thinking, 100 days. So unana put the room get and door to give. Oh, so nobody. Oh, now this life get us bio. This life get us bio. Say me chago isi oku. And we also nyamuruni. I buzi pro. That 100 days will be your end. That your 100 days will be your end for even mentioning it. Ijia to come and share this incident happened. Baro bogemo. That you will come back. You will come back. It's just a matter of time. You got a lot of you. You are coming.
Okwere kudu to na gini. Evere n'usoro. Nangai, church bossa, and again line by line. Ekere thousands of rice na get dunamis na Abuja. One single soul was lost because gini ekere n'usoro. Nangai.
So nduka awu bad people ki jize nye example. Nduka emena ge nduka emeghe gi. Ozi ha ki na-elisi nye example. Such an irony of life, oh. So nduka na who's DJ. Guys, now I gotta report to this video. I told you. Click love and like and share. Click love and like and share because click love and like and share because I'm not here again. I know that's how they operate. Click love and like. So nduka na ebugi na tagi was a good people example. Nduka wu uke gbena gi uka ara gi uke destroy gi uke fuck gi. I thought something you hate is something you don't use a example. So ozi nduka na uzi ndije nye example Jpac.
Nibe na uware no crowd. But the rise came Abuja, my palliative, na word by word, local government by local government.
Let me tell you. You see that Obi Jackson, that man has done more help than in the same of your father won't use Shiji no more. Jpac nagije Jesu Shiji. Amapuya. We have a deeper life. You know this story I'm telling you now. Nagi suno shiji no mo. Akupu ya have a deeper life. Jeba nduke protect ya. The same kona about 24/7. Mere akubu hun nagi suno shiji no mo. It's not saga talk. I am telling you nothing but the truth. Mpa Jpac no suno shiji. Go to Munna and verify. Though it's not a laughing matter. Oh, don't take this thing as a laughing matter. If Yarumana Twitter yash, let him come and debunk it. Kamba putando wabuoshi from Jpac town. Kijoyame Mpaya a deeper life man. Or when Bosuno Shijino war. Actually Joputa Kuya in the deeper life is save where. Nduka na uka joya that mpaya suno shiji ona choy de kibe inubela na this guy in the mention hena inubela na suno shiji mbo mpagi mere crime ukoshiri joy nda nwuna because so shiji wu henda ali Igbo asonso ali Igbo na so shiji nso. Nna go suno shiji. Come and debunk it now. Come and debunk it. When you guys are laughing, you go uka opun uwe. Aboro Jpac compound here. Kiba kesha aboro people here mahazu oshi. Iso shapu aboro ga here. Gesho shiji aboro ga here. Geso shi. Go and very. Imam na kona name. I don't like when you guys are laughing. You go wokwa na church. Mpa Jpac is no shiji no bo. Amapuya. Amapuya no monna. Go and ask question. If I'm lying. Onya. Mpaya wonyo shiji. Onyo shiji no bo. Mpaya zuro shiji. Who is that? Okay. Mpaya wonyo shiji. You want to go? Ozuro shiji no bo. Jeju ya matugamashi. I report that this is my video. Click love and like and share. Even know your name. Hana bande group has this useless set of foolish content, hopeless creators. And when in Nigeria, jobless idiot that eat from Facebook. Useless idiot. Yana membo lampana. Hanga gata. Ogechi Okeke. Let's revert. Oh, we can't give a Ogechi Okeke. Oh, we can't give a Ogechi Okeke. Wanya. Biano. I surprise. Obi poor. That's what they do. 24/7. Molam putra, my word your threat. How about Oputala? Can you massive report? Facebook disregard any report on here. We are creating awareness. So Mpaya wonyo shiji. Mpaya zuro shiji no wo. He runs in that. If I'm lying, let him come and say, okay, I'm lying. Click, share. Papa Jpac, wonyo shiji no wo. I'm a prayer no na. Yes. Mpaya we thief.
Nibe, okay, say me fair. Allow. As of it, because
things that Golden Apple offers, their accelerators, the things that Golden Apple offers, their accelerators and their scholars is top notch. My mentor relationships, everything, the community that has surrounded me, it's just been an amazing experience for me.
Allow. As of it, because I'm not before as a 4 years of woman now. For crowd on almost all the Akija, Nina Bruno, Mande embassy, Nogadime, Mandubo, Manime, Mande Gusigo, Manime, Mande Yala, Manime Manduli, Nogudime, Mande Yala, Mando Zobor, Hasanime, Uno Nakarado Juru, Ne Nubata, come on Yaso Yamana Gazo, Cabri, Jenny Kuni Benibe. Today, my for the first time, my judge. Here, those who might have this is not what okay. Every second that who are doing everything that every down around with their family against 500,000 or 1 million. Eh, it's 1 million a good money. Oh, if I'm a honey with the rice, I don't blame on your rice because okay, make it okay, make it no be any please the home, please the community because no man I go. Even number palliative will be just in rice. Or what I got the rice can do me. My name blame the organizers.
Jpac, you are an idiot. He didn't directly not by Obi Jackson. He ain't a rubbish. He blame more rice Obi Jackson and you already blending him. You're a fool. OMG Shigi, you cannot be a straightforward person. You see? Best right. Why are you criticizing this thing in the first place? Why are you even opening your mouth to criticize what came out from Obi Jackson? Imakisha come straight. That is why Iji corner your way. Obi Jackson now attack okay with the rice. Attack only with a man a poverty rate in Nigeria that they can do anything to get money. Is an incident or an accident that took place. All we need to do just to come out and say, may their souls rest in peace. You blame the government. Has nothing to blame. But mande kereke. Bande, here we hate you. Here at this moment. Himaki Shabia straight. Ebala like this. Gabalo time. Get on out here. In a blame with this man. Nando bupitere rice. Why are you blaming them? There is no blame. Just that. Or where we found ourselves, the society, we found ourselves, and there is nothing we can do about it. At least you join hands to console these families that lost their loved ones and their lives. All you could do, you got put on with your critics, with your useless, because this useless ad and on a page, you can talk anything and make money. Eh? Very bien, admin block what that idiot to click command face on people's comments. Look for that account and block the diminution of his or her life. Eh? Simple, come and console these families. So something came at the wrong time when doing good. But all you could find is photo. When nagit to go shiji no war. Egaga giten nagit zuo shiji. The same part the economy mene nagit zuo shiji. But you came out to criticize people that aga hudo tomorrow rice rie. People aga hudo tomorrow, they are fighting to get in hand omugeri. Fighting to get here no mugeri. The only thing you can do is to come out and passion blame when you try to assist. Echino una apụta na the man jiri ha gwa ogwe ego. all the next thing that will come out. Now they don't have destiny. Even when a destiny na rush arise. Even when a destiny iji bu onwe gi nyana umu gaka ko no pona poverty. Even when a destiny when we sacrifice ala umu ishu ma sebo. Gan under market na erenu minima gi amagide gi na nu even when a destiny. Oh the next thing I got na call. The man need to destiny. Onye bere ime ogo ihe mma no wa onye ola mere ogo ya ga-egbu ya kama ya egbu ndo mere ya ogo that guy will never pay him until you egbu ndo niile especially you that ihu ihe ọma akpọ ya hojo ọ ga-egbu gị na you the thing go kweme because it will be ihe ola mmadụ mere make mistake no wa. You channel the good ones and say, may the souls of these people, their family, keep resting in peace. Putagodi this man a credit that he has done enough. All you can see is the negative part. It be helpful, it be helpful mistake, everything sime. Jpac, are you not a demon? Are you not a demon? Now, the same 100 days to give an example of this your rubbish. To give an example of this your barbaric video imere. How will you give an example? The same people no. Onyo la trosugagi Onyo la trosugagi Anybody lecturagi shagi wo mano. That person wozu. Makachi. Block all those mad stupid face. Damn them. But you have a Jpac. Oh no dear. They are na wako tulahana wuhane shihanimi. Idiots.
Because all the man of Jackson Njaka, so I want to water line, on the benefit, whatever rice, one bag, huh?
In Onga Obi Jackson, any instruction on you. Mbone before, in my instruction, Jpac, Iwano jaw. Iwano jaw. Iwano eri. Iwano jaw. Makachi.
Back to do that, 3 cups. Oh, because now all the time I have a water line naked here. Able to go rice. Oh, so organize about the removal coordinators. Call the race in the other open and now get rice here. Niku believe. Now get rice here. Na kindred by kindred. I get rice here. No monna. Then they get down. Who's out of Bulina? I'm gonna have any more Kotoku. Kotoku news ya hebu de gaba ufodi ya de bo gara no do we ebubo ojo awe kara so so madu awon sia oya mi ha na ji ke ya ogara me ogo problem emeheme problem mara ndo ta de bo kini ndo organizer furu na kara do ne nu bata de ike ni kem ka do na be kini na nu bata de ike awe bankete eke ihe nebo eke ihe gini n'iku ma ọ bụ n'ibe ogo gwara dị mmadụ ka mgbede may just rest in peace ka nke a bụrụ ihe mmụta nyere anyị ọ gara abụrụ gị eke ihe biko
iwe very hopeless thing iwe very hopeless
agụrụ
very hopeless
agụrụ bụ na ihe agụụ bụkọ na Nigeria karịrị ihe COVID-19 gburu ife agụụ bụkọrọ n'obodo abụ Nigeria akarịgo ife COVID-19 gburu agụụ na-eso ndị azọgburu na-eso ndị azọgburu n'ọba ndị dịrị ka rice ọgaranya and ele ha anya ọ bụrụ sọsọ 2 cups of rice ka ndị a ekete.
Did you see how useless this man is? Ọkwa the same ọgaranya ọ na-ekwunyere o kwuola na ele ha anya o jiri ike rice ọgaranya ọ wee eleji ha anya 2 cups of rice. Look at this hopeless man. Oh, I don't know why our people now change you and hide here. Jpac Ikerole. I challenge you. Ndobobunu na tafufo. Obobunu are suffering. Jpac Ikerole. When you go to one couple, can't you cover out to ego imekri na China? Got your kindred kere hego. Kere ude go pute manyere one cup no be. Ikerole. Demon Ikerole. He got home fought. Mbola rumere Jpac puta. Jpac will come. Yes, puta. Evil people. People with a problem. They will surface. They will start portioning blames. They will surface, start portioning blames up and down. Amusu. Jpac wa amusu. Amusu ke ye wo. Ndo bopu no only to go to rice. Can't you give them rice? How old are you? Mbobi Jackson bitere mo wogo. Gina onye toro. Ibe bi portion blame. Ika horila fault. Wolo ogaranya ugo abela bi me ogaranya. Kikeke. Hey, ogaranya, let other people your fellow poor idiots learn from you. Eh? Alam. Aya. Otila, she got for some. Get the fuck out of here.
Oh, the government of 2 tons of rice or 5 kg. Can that do it? Ah! Oh no. Oh no. No wonder I goes over to Equa na Ago Bisioria. Ago Bisioria. Can you eliminate Ago? Rice and a cake. Or come there with a general CDC, Nambu, Bude, Guru PG, a cane of an emofe. Maria, I am like this. Or whether they put the rice. Come on, you have to do it. Not 3 cups of rice. Ah! Over the rice here. A PG, Busas here. No monna. A kera zano don't know. Mara make it all. Mara make it all. I make it all. Eh? Oh, Sumaraga. Eh? Hey! Yeah! Or to Bagari. Hey! I'm going to.
Omena video and condemn mother totoroya. Ya bediko pikiri. Ya put mama another one. Jpac, you will cause. You will cause. You will issue a curse to you and that your useless, hopeless wife. You will cause. Go Agorangisha Bagin Kitty, you will come back. I told people in the program on your behalf. I said it. Don't worry. That British space I will not give it to you anymore. That BP, that hit what I gonna bring. I will give it to you. Actually, put back. You 2025 is for you and I. Until you learn how to face your problem. Focus on your matter. How people are aka. Imabala gen kiti. Ichela no Ogechi hapu gogi. Ichigona ma hapu. I am coming on 2025. Yes. Monagi na this Facebook get face one square to water. Because you will not leave people and their problems alone. Learn how to mind your business. Create your fucked up content. And let people be. No wala. Everybody eating here garanya. They have to come eating here garanya. It might be Shabbat this man a war. You sheba, they sheba. All you want to see is to portion blame. Each or really want to fault this man, amen. The girls, look at your video. A cup of rice, getting in do rice or in 1 morning. Can't they eat 1 cup? Can't do or eat 1 cup of rice? Can't do or eat 1 cup of rice? 1 cup of rice or Juru Haju? Ndo Bobunu, Haga Iri, Ena Haga no way. Gama na waterproof nyeha. Say when ndaga who 1 cup na this December. And when ndaga who 1 cup this December. How many lives have you touched? Ike question what the ego. In make ego na your Facebook. And you go na your wedding. You should put more money in China. Or we now made the same thing the people are doing. May 1 cup of rice. We want to see what you're capable of doing, Jpac. You are an idiot. May the souls of those families, they are lost their loved ones. And may the souls of those their loves, their mother, their father, their young ones. May their souls keep resting in peace. Obi Jackson, you didn't do wrong, my brother. You did what you're supposed to do, just to assist your people. On a everywhere, all over the world. Ogi Bugi, my brother. It's just that all daba. Onyo dabarala. Ya find a way to solve his own problem. All you need now is encouragement. Words of encouragement. My brother, we appreciate your hard work. We appreciate everything that you have done. But it's quite unfortunate. Please take heart. And may the souls of these ones, they have lost their lives. May their souls keep resting in peace. May their family find peace and find a place in their hearts to take it as one of those things. Or a bad economy with Irani, or a bad condition with Irani. Please, my brother, my brother pushing. Because so image you're gonna away cause. Image you're gonna away problem. People supposed to rally around you and give you all the support that you need at this critical time. Not to portion blame in any cause, in any way. You have done noble. This people were saying that you've been doing this. This is not the first time. So my brother Obi Jackson, hang in there. This is a face of problem. It will come and it will go. Thank you for the ones you have done. May the good Lord keep blessing you. It's quite unfortunate that in your portal at this time where you're trying to render help. Please don't let it get to you. You not assume me or Jpac. You not this foolish man. Video you know block anything about because uwabanya actually former. Since you've been doing good, the years you've been doing this, nobody get better testify the good you have done. Or just because of this little problem, Mirena. I bet all you to call price. Boy, call price, boy, two cost price. But hang with billionaires and millionaires around them. They will not do what you have done. So my brother, please take heart. I will also do a video to drop it. I have to go and sleep. I got a very few hours ago. Now I'll be going to work. May God bless you. May God keep strengthening you. But all people like this hopeless man. Video, you don't even. May God bless you for everything you have done. God bless you again. Keep doing good. Thank you. Guys, I'll see you guys later. Beyond the local saga, 00 minus it's 0 brain. And PJ Fashin who are shower. I'm coming. Just to Actually, maybe sit here down. New